Yo, what is up? So tonight is kind of like a little bit of a main event. It's a bit of a main event type of event. Shannons Insurance has teamed up with Car Club, and they've kind of collaborated on this cool showroom style event. And so the Shannons Insurance showroom is actually this big downlight epoxy floored showroom, which they used to do like auctions in. And yeah, so supposedly there's going to be about 5 million worth of cars at this event, and that's only split and divvied up between like 20 or 30 cars apparently. And I think it's pretty cool that one of those cars just so happens to be my Miata Ruby. So we're headed now. Ruby's on the trailer behind us, and should be a really cool, really chill event. I just think it's cool to have a Miata in a showroom with like Lambos, and it's gonna be gangster. Come along.
It's cool to have the respect of like having a car like yours.
Yeah.
At an event.
Yeah.
That's
It's invite only, guys. So we got invited.
Yeah.
Ruby got invited.
Insurance company.
Sick. They don't want me. They just want Ruby. Ah, there's the police. I'm gonna put my camera down now. Maybe he'll want to check it out. Let's see. Let's see if he wants to check it out. That'd be kind of funny. Like, it'd be kind of cool because what are they gonna do? It's not registered. But he can't get me on anything. He can get me on the trailer plate. That's it. Yeah. But can they drift?
This is sick.
Wow. So quiet.
Yeah, just ask. Well, it's the first time, so first time.
Wow. That's cool. Probably like the dirtiest car here.
But probably the coolest. Still.
Yeah, it looks alright. Like, it's way more down the route of like what I wanted it to be. Nice. Version 1 was cool, but this is like everything. I fucking love it.
Nah, that's awesome. Build it how you want it to be built.
How good? Oh,
I love the blue.
yeah.
It actually looks so good. Yeah.
Okay, the car is sitting pretty. We've done the green underglow so that it kind of matches all of the green of the showroom, which is interesting. It's not normally an underglow color I would run, but no, the level of car currently in here, next level. I don't know, I feel like I'm an imposter syndrome right now because I got this dirty drift car in here and then there's all these like show cars. It's cool. It's a cool vibe. 500 coffees are free. This man's excited.
Oh, I'm excited for a free coffee, bro.
Dude, you're going to be
Actually,
the
don't
one
say
that's
that too
not
loud.
free.
Hey,
You're going to be the one that's not free.
I'm
They're
gonna
going to be like, hey, that'll be
$101,
$5.
that'd be $17.60.
Yeah, cuzzy. On my rush, brother.
Yeah, bro. You fucking got the fucking first, second, third, all the way to fifth, bro.
Oh, thanks so much for coming, bro.
All good, bro.
Have a safe drive home.